So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to see or find your card number on your Wells Fargo application. So first, you need your Wells Fargo application to be installed and make sure that you have an existing one. And after that, log in on your account and select on the Cards tab once you access it. Choose the specific card that you wanted to view, and once you clicked on the cards that you wanted to view is tap the view card details for you to able to see your card number. You will see there your last 4 digits number, and to see the full number, you just have to click or tap on the eye icon next to the last 4 digits. This app will prompt you to authenticate with your fingerprint or PIN, and once authenticated, the full card number will be displayed for a limited time. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.